What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Dee and this is the Optimistic Network. So because I'm living a keto lifestyle now, anything that's prepared in my kitchen or on my stove, it's gonna be keto. So today I'm gonna do my version of keto oven-fried chicken. Well, keep in mind, I haven't seen this anywhere. I just decided that I was gonna try oven-fried chicken, and let's begin. The video's already started if you were watching. So there's an egg in a bowl, a little milk, some sour cream, and I put a little seasoning and a little pepper and a little olive oil in the bowl, and then I just use the whisker and I just whisk it up until everything is smooth. Now that I'm ahead at the video, I can slow down to tell you that I added sour cream just because it was in my fridge. I didn't even plan that I was gonna add it. I just looked in the fridge, saw the sour cream that I bought the other day for a recipe that I tried that didn't really turn out so good, but I didn't want it to waste, so I'm like, why not just mix in some sour cream in this egg mixture to dip the chicken in? And this mixture came out so good. It was so rich and seemed like a buttermilk. If you look at it when I pour it over the chicken, that mixture was so rich and so flipping good. So as you'll see soon, in that silver bowl that's sitting on the top of the stove, it's my chicken that's already seasoned. And honestly, I seasoned that like probably 30 minutes ago. But if you can season your chicken from overnight or even a couple hours before, that will make things even better. But I didn't have the time to season it before, so I seasoned it like 30 minutes, and then I just poured the mixture over the chicken and just kind of flip it up in there. Again, you can even mix this mixture, pour over the chicken and cover it up to marinate a little and let all that seasoning from the mixture and all the seasoning you put on the chicken, you just let it marinate. I must say, I used that green seasoning, some pepper and some garlic herb to season my chicken. You can season your chicken with whatever you want. Some people season their chicken with just black pepper and salt. If you're a black pepper and salt girl, go right ahead. I'm not a black pepper and salt girl. I'm a seasoning girl. I love flavor in my food, so needless to say, that chicken was flavorful. And again, I'm getting ahead of myself, but what I'm doing now is just putting some almond flour in a dry bowl, and that little piece that I took out is just a lump that was in there. This is the first time I'm buying the Great Valley generic brand. Usually I get the other brand, another brand, I don't remember the name right now, but I added some almond flour, which it was like a cup, 2.5 cups, and then I added, I think that's 1/3 cup, so 1/3 cup of Parmesan cheese, and then I put a little pepper and a little of that Tony Casher or whatever it's called, the green bottle seasoning, in the flour mixture, and then I just mix it up, whip it up and mix it up to get everything together. So what I'm doing now, I used my pizza pan as an oven pan, and I just wrapped it with some foil paper, and then I put a piece of grease paper over it, and I put some olive oil on the grease paper and spread it out. And this is just to baste the chicken so the chicken don't get stuck to the grease paper, and I know it won't get stuck. Things don't get stuck to the grease paper, but I just wanted to make sure. I always add a little oil when I'm baking like that. Remember that I added that egg mixture over that chicken, so now I'm just taking the chicken piece by piece and I'm mixing it around in the almond flour. So I'm just coating the chicken in the almond flour mixture, and then I'm putting it on my grease pan. And because this part is repetitive, I'm just going to take the time to tell you that I preheated my oven at 365 degrees. So I don't know your oven settings, but I did mine at 365 degrees and I let it hot. While I'm doing this, the oven was being preheated. And guys, if you're not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and smash that subscribe button, turn your notification bells on, give me a thumbs up, and feel free to get active in the comments. And because this part is taking so long, I just wanted to come in here and let you guys know how easy the preparation was. I didn't want to speed this video because I wanted to show you how easy the preparation was. As you can see, it's even easier than French frying on the top of the stove. So I could have easily fried this on the top of the stove with olive oil and coconut oil mixture, but I just wanted to oven bake it. I wanted it a little healthier than all the grease. So this is all the chicken coated in the almond flour mixed, and I just drizzle a little olive oil over it. As you can see, not a lot, just a little olive oil over the top, and then I put it in my 365 degrees hot oven. So this is about 55 minutes later. I took it out and just flipped them over so the other side could get crispy, because I'm telling you, this was crispy. So I took them out, flipped them over, and then I just put it back in the oven, turned the oven up to 400 and left it for 20 minutes. So at 400 degrees, the oven was really hot, and I put it at 400 just to brown it up a little, to get it golden and to finish up the crispiness on the other side. So this is my chicken all done, taken out. What I'm doing is just transferring them to another pan just for presentation, because as you can see, the other pan with between the oil and a little of the cheese and like the blood that came from the chicken, it's a little burnt. So I just transfer it for presentation, but the chicken was not burnt at all. If you look at those chicken, the chicken was not burnt. They were crispy, golden, and beautiful, and just as delicious. I hope this video reminded you guys that not because you're on keto you have to eat boring. You can pretty much tweak any other meal that you're used to eating, well apart from rice and flour and all those simple carbs, but you don't have to eat boring on keto. This keto fried chicken was the bomb.com. So I served this up with some roasted cauliflower and carrot. Yes, you can eat carrot on keto, you just can't eat too much. And I did a cheese muffin and a little side salad, and it was beautiful. Thank you guys for watching. I love you guys so much. Mwah, mwah, mwah.